Hello guys, this is Andrew from HopTop channel. Today I'm going to show you our new wireless air quality module. It can be put just on the table or at the corner of your living room and bedroom. Then it can monitor the air quality data including TVOC, CO2, PM2.5, temperature and humidity. Alright, that's all for the basic information. Now I'm going to show you how it is used. Before connecting, please be sure that the ventilator is properly connected. Okay, firstly, connecting the module with a micro USB to a power bank or with an adapter, then the red lights will go on. Then you don't need to do anything. The module will connect automatically to the control panel, then the violet symbol will appear right here. It can apply up to 4 modules. If you have 2 or 3 or 4 pieces, then you will need to open the module like we did and change the dial switch sequence inside. The default is like this: 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 being at the downside. When 1 goes up, it means module number 2. When 2 goes up, 2 goes up, it means module number 3. When 3 goes up, it means module number 4. After proper connection, you can use the touch panel or our smart app to monitor the air quality data if you have also connected the ERV with our Wi-Fi module. In the app, it is very easy. You can see everything just at the home page. In the touch panel, it is a little bit tricky. You can see all the symbols right here. And you can press the Mode button to switch between temperature of each air inlet and outlet, CO2 level, humidity level, PM2.5 concentrations, and VOC level. If you have 2 or 4 modules, you can press the Mode button for 5 seconds to switch between every module. You can see at the top right corner the number. It is the module number. It means module number 1 now. You can press up and down button to switch between 1, 2, 3, 4. And press set button to go to each parameter: humidity, CO2, PM2.5 and VOC. And press on and off to access this. And you can set one of them as primary to show on the main screen in the app. By accessing parameter number 7, to change it, you will need to switch off the ventilator first and switch off the ventilator and press Mode button for 5 seconds. And press set button to go to parameter number 7. Number 27, and press Mode button to enter the setting and press up and down button to change the parameter. Now is number 1 as primary. And press Mode button to confirm the setting and press on and off button to exit. Alright, that's all for this video today. If you have further interest to this module, please leave us a comment in below or visit us at www.hoptop.com. See you next time.